Hey guys, and welcome to episode 7. Today, we're going to be talking about Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a big data analytics platform provided by Microsoft in collaboration with Databricks. It combines the power of a data lakehouse and Apache Spark with an intuitive interface and seamless integration with other Azure services, enabling your data engineers and your data scientists to perform advanced analytics and data processing tasks. At its core, Azure Databricks leverages Apache Spark. Apache Spark is an open source distributed computing system designed for big data analytics. It allows you to process large volumes of data across multiple nodes, resulting in fast and scalable data analysis. Azure Databricks provides you with a collaborative environment where your data analysts, scientists, and your engineers can all work together collaboratively. Within the Azure Databricks workspace, you can create and manage clusters and warehouses. The clusters are a set of machines that work together to process data in parallel. These clusters can easily be scaled up or down to meet your actual workload needs, ensuring that you get the optimal performance and great resource utilization. Warehouses can be used to house your data for a powerful analytics solution for your business intelligence needs. One of the key features to the Azure Databricks platform is its collaborative and interactive notebook capabilities. Notebooks allow you to combine your data, your code, your visualizations, and your documentation into a single environment. Using notebooks, you can write and execute code in multiple different languages such as Scala, R, SQL, or Python, making it accessible to a wide range of users with different skill sets. Azure Databricks provides you with a vast array of libraries, tools, and APIs to support your different data processing and analytics scenarios. So for example, you can leverage libraries like the MLlib library to help you build and train predictive models. Or you can utilize the GraphFrames library so that you can do graph analytics. These libraries will help to simplify the development of complex data analytics tasks, allowing you to focus on extracting out the valuable insights from your data. Azure Databricks can integrate seamlessly with other Azure services, enabling you to build end-to-end data solutions. You can ingest data from multiple different sources such as Azure Data Lake, Azure Blob Storage, or streaming platforms such as Azure Event Hubs or Apache Kafka. You can also connect your Azure Databricks to an Azure SQL database, an Azure Cosmos database, or other databases to read and write data. In conclusion, Azure Databricks is a powerful big data and analytics platform that combines the capabilities of Apache Spark with a user-friendly interface and the seamless integration with other Azure services. So whether you are a data analyst, an engineer, or a scientist, Azure Databricks provides you with the tools and the resources that you need to process large volumes of data efficiently. With this collaborative environment, support for multiple programming languages, and an extensive library ecosystem, Azure Databricks empowers organizations to derive valuable insights and to drive data-driven decision-making. Thanks for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you again on episode 8.